Welcome to the world of beauty, where the most stunning bird takes center stage. Meet the resplendent Quetzal, a true gem of the avian world. With its vibrant green feathers and striking red breast, it's a sight to behold. These birds are not just beautiful, they symbolize freedom and love. Watch as they glide gracefully through the treetops, a living masterpiece. Their long tail feathers can reach up to 3 feet long, pure elegance. But remember, they are endangered, reminding us to protect their habitat. So let's cherish and admire this beauty while we still can. Isn't nature just incredible? Stay tuned for more wonders of the animal kingdom.